Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today is Thirsty Thursdays and we're doing another summer sipper. And this summer sipper comes from Dave.
Dave?
Yeah, Dave, come on, man, open up. I think the cops
Dave's not here.
Now Dave's choice for the perfect summer cocktail to really cool off to is tequila and limeade. Now I know you're thinking like, that's easy, limeade, tequila. But I can't just make a sweet margarita and call it limeade and tequila. Let's take it a step further. I'm taking inspiration from the ranch water. So we're gonna make a lime and yuzu seltzer water and mix our tequila in with that. Let's get started. So I'm gonna be using the Lalo Tequila. Go 2 ounces or 60 mils, 1 ounce or 30 mils, fresh lime. Then we're gonna go with a ½ ounce or 15 mils, fresh lemon juice. To really bump up that lime flavor, I'm gonna use some lime bitters. I'm gonna go 4 dashes. Add some saline, go 4 drops. So instead of just using some regular old simple syrup, I'm gonna be using my Yuzu Cordial. Go with 3/4 ounce or 22 mils. Add in our ice and give this a nice hard shake for about 10 seconds. So I got my drink made here. I'm gonna pour our cocktail in here. And we're gonna add 4 ounces of ice cold water. Let the excess gas out. Got my Newton 12-ounce glass here. Fill it up with ice. Let's pour over our limeade. Oh, look how fizzy and bubbly that is. All the way to the top. I'm gonna take 2 nice lime slices, feed them down the side, and finish the line wedge. And that is Dave's Tequila Limeade. Oh yeah, that yuzu comes through, the lime, the tequila. Super bubbly, very tart. That little bit of extra lemon juice really bumps it up and gives that limeade flavor. The Lalo Tequila is absolutely amazing. It's super clean, it's neat. It's got a little bit of pepperiness to it, but not too much. You really get the agave from it. Oh yeah. On a hot California day like it is today, this is absolutely perfect. Now I just wish I was sitting at the beach. Now that is a summer sipper. Cheers, Dave. Excellent choice. If you want to check out the rest of my summer cocktail series, click right there. If you want to check out some of my food recipes, click on up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.